Hello guys, I want to show you how to set up this camera for installation. But before then, this is a solar CCTV camera. As you can see, it comes with a solar panel. Also, behind the panel is the battery storage. So we have to lose or open the battery storage to insert the batteries. Please be patient with us. We are taking it step by step, so that at the end of this video you will be able to do it yourself. You don't need an installer to install this camera. It's very simple. So after opening the battery storage, you insert the batteries. As you can see, there are 6 batteries. Please make sure the batteries are connected properly to avoid power failure or damage to the camera. Please cover it very well so that water will not penetrate when it is raining. Remember, this is going to stay outside. The panel will be outside to allow sunlight charge the battery. Some bolts were still inside the package, so we need to bring them out and complete the coupling. Please, you have to make sure the bolts are complete while you are covering this battery storage. Please. Sometimes the bolt will not be at the back of this panel. They will package it separately. So you have to open here to insert the memory card and also SIM card. If you look closely, you will see the reset button also in this part of the camera. You can use this pointer to punch in the SIM card very well. Cover it back. Let's make sure it is covered properly so that water will not spoil the camera. That is the connection between the panel and the camera. Remember, the battery is also with the panel. make sure you plug this cable properly so that the camera will be able to turn on. This is power button. You open this place for the power to switch it on or off. So we turn it on from here. See, the camera is now on. So you wait until this light turn blue and steady before you can now configure it. Yes, it is steady now. So we are now spraying the camera mount for installation. See, that is the mount. This will enable us to tight on the pole very well. So after painting, we allow it to dry for some time before the installation. There we go, it's almost ready. That is the final installation. This is the configuration part to enable us view in our phone. I already have the software, the U-Box in my phone, so I will just click on it and open. Click on the 4G network and select this blue light here. Select it and then click next. You can see, you click next. Then you scan. There is a barcode on this camera. You scan and this camera will be added to your phone. I think I didn't scan properly, so I had to scan it again. There we go. Camera is now added to your phone, so it's now asking you for the device name. You might choose to leave it like that, or you put any name you want to name that location or the camera. Click next. It's loading. Almost 100% complete. Now says camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first installation. Please make sure the camera is charged 100% before the installation. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your time in watching this video. Please, if you find it interesting, kindly share it and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, love you, bye.